If you are restoring a classic Thunderbird, Ford car, or Ford truck, Concours Parts will be the only parts supplier that you will need. Concours Parts and Accessories out of Carson City, Nevada has been your Thunderbird and Ford parts leader for over 30 years, servicing all your parts needs for 1955 to 66 Thunderbirds, 1949 to 59 Ford cars, 1960 to 72 Ford Galaxies, 1962 to 72 Fairlanes, 1968 to 71 Torinos, and 1948 to 72 Ford trucks. We are the industry's leader in reproducing parts for your classic Ford. And if a part you want is not yet being reproduced, we still may be able to get you what you need from our extensive supply of new, old stock and used parts. We have a helpful and knowledgeable staff ready to fulfill all your parts needs and answer any questions that may arise. At Concours Parts, we ship parts worldwide. So wherever you live, we can be your parts supplier. Concours standards are high, and with the right classic Ford parts from Concours Parts and Accessories, you can achieve these standards. Visit ConcoursParts.com, where you can read tips for buying classic cars, search through our inventory of available parts, or download our catalogs. Give us a call at 800-722-0009 with any questions or for more information.